Hi, I'm Jean from Sensational Aromas, and today I want to do an unboxing for Mad Micas. I love their little things they do extra. Packing slip. It even has little extras on it. Let's get the unboxing done. Mad Micas always comes with a little treat. We'll open that last. I got a Mad Micas grab bag. The micas are colorants for soap. This is what I got in my grab bag. Each grab bag is different. I got Mad Micas Emerald City Glitter. Mad Micas Pumpkinhead Mica. Mad Micas Hot Lips. Mad Micas Let Us Entertain You. Mad Micas Blue Moon. Mad Micas Metallica. Mad Micas Sister Golden Hair. Surprise. Mad Micas Bright Yellow Red Coat. Mad Micas Key West Blue. And Mad Micas Grape Knee High. On top of that, I also got Mad Micas True Red series. In the Mad Micas True Red series, it comes with Brazen Hussy, Voodoo, and Spicy Tomato. If you mix all these up at the same amount, say 1 teaspoon of each, it gives you a true red color. I also have got activated hardwood charcoal, 2 ounce. Mad Micas Sparkle Me Plenty Eco-Friendly Bio Glitter. And a grape knee high from Mad Micas. This is the grape knee high. The Brazen Hussy, which is neon orange. This is the Voodoo Mica. Spicy Tomato. That's a very pretty color. And the activated charcoal. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And give Mad Micas a chance for your colorant needs. Thank you and God bless.